Okay, here's a guide how to tune acoustic guitar. So the first thing is to find the sixth string. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 string, and pluck it. Okay. If you don't have a tuner, just make sure it doesn't make this noise. Tighten up the knot a little bit, the machine a little bit. Just have 1/4 of a turn until you get a good tone. So it's still kind of flimsy. So I'm gonna turn it more. Okay. So that's getting kind of close to where the sound should be. I think that's kind of close. That's good enough. That's the E string. If you have a tuner, it should say E string. So now next, if you don't have a tuner, you're gonna tune everything to this string. You're gonna put your finger on the 5th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th fret on the 6th string, and you're gonna pluck the 6 and the 5. See how they sound different? So right there, they kind of sound the same. That means it's loose. Needs to get tighter to come to this one. So we're gonna adjust it just a tiny bit, 1/4 of a turn, and we're gonna get the feeling. So it's still kind of low. So right there it has a good sound. Sound different. It's getting close a little bit. Okay, so next the same thing. Now we're gonna put on the 5th string, on the 5th fret, and we're gonna pluck 5 and 4, and we're tuning number 4 string. So this is how much you're gonna need to get tight. See? Somewhere is right there. So it needs to get tighter. So I'm just gonna turn this a half a turn. That's it. So it's right there. We're getting closer. A little bit more. Okay. So the next, sometimes you gotta go back and readjust. come with experience. So we got those three. Now we're gonna do the same thing with the. We're gonna plug step on the number 4 string, and we're gonna plug 4 and 3. It kind of sounds over here, so it's getting close. So it's right there. You just need a little bit. So now we're going with the other one. We're gonna get there. And again, I'm just going with quarter patterns. A little bit more. Okay, so now we're gonna go. This one's gonna change a little bit. We're gonna have to press on the number 4 fret, the 3rd string, and plug number 3rd and 2nd string. This is your B. So let's recap: E, A, D, G, B. So this is B right there. B. Somewhere is right here, so we need to get it tight. So just a tiny bit. So it's getting closer. The same thing, tiny bit, not too much. Looks like we need to go a little bit more. So right there sounds good. Okay, so the next one, we go back to the 5th string, and we're gonna press on number 2 string, and we're gonna plug 2 and 1. That's the E string, and this note right here is E string. So we're gonna get it tight. It's almost there. I think we went too far. Let's check. So right there it sounds decent. It's not perfect, but it'll get you through a campfire. That's how you tune any guitar, acoustic guitar, electric guitar. Okay, I hope it helps. Thank you.